Hi guys, so today share ko lang itong platform na ito na merong airdrop, itong si Arc Digital, no. So pag-uusapan natin and other details pa dito, no. So for now, punta muna tayo dito, go to participate lang. So meron ditong phase 1, I think tapos na ito, closed na. Merong phase 2, yung half moon, tapos na rin. Yung full moon guys, no, phase 3. Ito yung ongoing airdrop right now, no. So ito yung pinaka-amount ng airdrop and live na nga ito. So like for example, let's participate and then launch muna natin yung app and then close muna natin to. So ito yung pinaka-user interface guys, no. So itong si Arc guys is a perpetual DEX on Arbitrum. In 2023, Arc raised their seed round and as we can see dito guys, Delta Digital, OKX Ventures, Big Brain Holdings and KRAC yung kanilang mga investors dito or nakaback dito kay Arc Digital guys, no. So pag-uusapan natin dito yung mga details pa, other informations, yung mga UI as well as kung paano dito mag-participate to get some airdrops guys, no. But before we start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So, for now, punta muna tayo dito guys sa pinaka more details pa, no. So, user interface nga niya guys, if we observe, parang violet type yung pinaka user interface niya dito. Yung airdrop details guys, andito sa taas, no. Trinay ko din i-access ito sa cellphone. Accessible naman guys, no. So, like, gamit ka lang ng Web3 wallets. Tapos, as mentioned nga dito is that under siya ng Arbitrum guys, no. So, under Arbitrum ecosystem itong si Arc Digital. Isa din sa unique features na nakita ko dito is like itong Telegram APIs niya, no. So, nakikita mo yung mga chats and meron nga ditong other pairs pa like for example, itong Ethereum and other crypto assets. If we observe, maraming mga DEXs na nagpa-airdrop for this year, no. So, isa ito sa mga checklist ko din si Arc Digital and check muna natin dito yung other details pa. So, basically, diniscuss dito yung pinaka-user interface. It's the same with the centralized exchange guys, no, yung feel, pero this platform is a decentralized exchange, meaning walang KYC, kailangan mo lang dito Web3 wallet to connect and to use this one. So for now, punta muna tayo dito. Yung pinaka Arc account model niya is that you can just use USDC or Ethereum sa pinaka account mo. Merong dalawang types ng accounts, merong perpetual, merong liquidity pool or LP account, ginagamit for the liquidity and to earn yung mga yield, no. And they mention nga dito guys na if users are finished trading or providing liquidity, then can then withdraw their assets to their wallet at any time, no. So ganyan naman yung pinaka-model ng mga DEXs papunta sa Web3 wallets, you can withdraw anytime naman, no. So for now, Arc Classic mode, meron sila dito up to 50x leverage. Again guys, ito is medyo mataas yung pinaka-leverage guys, no. So high reward pero high risk din dito guys, no. Then again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you got some ideas dito sa video natin as well as updates, opportunity, kasi merong airdrop din ito dito guys, no. So ito, Arc Moon mode is meron ngang 1000x leverage, no. So medyo mataas ito guys. For experience, mga seasoned trader, is adjustable naman yan. So providing liquidity, ito yung AALP. So pwedeng mag-provide ng like liquidity. This is similar to GMX, no. Liquidity can provided in various tokens kasama yung Ethereum, USDC, LRTs, LSTs, and marami pang iba dito guys, no. So they mention nga dito guys yung trade to earn Arc. So the current campaign allows users to trade tapos mag-earn ng Arc, no. So rewards are split between Ethereum BTC trading and altcoin trading. So with altcoin trading, offering higher token incentives, no. So dito meron na rin silang, ayun, so may pre-market na rin sa Whales Market, and upon checking nga dito, so andito yung pinaka details guys, no. Nasa 34 cents yung pre-market price niya. So then again, it's a pre-market price pa lang ito guys, no. So it's a speculation price ito, but good thing meron na guys, no. And as we observe naman dito sa kanilang backers is that mga kilala naman na mga investors in crypto space. So yeah, punta muna tayo dito guys. Meron din sila dito ang pinaka referrals, no. So you can share your link. Ilalay ko na din yung official link natin sa description ng video na to para mapuntahan nyo and para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online guys, no. So ito yung pinaka quick details dito guys. Punta na tayo dito sa kanilang platform, itong si BTC. Punta muna tayo dito sa account. So wala pa ako ditong pinaka trading volume to get yung Arc rewards, no. So perpetuals meron din dito. So dito naman sa LP, ito yung pinaka liquidity pool. So puntahan muna natin tong airdrop tab Ayan, like for example, try natin mag-participate. So like for example, andito yung mga criteria. Launch up ko lang to, tapos close. And pagkatapos niyan, ito yung pinaka-details, no? So, for example, try ko dito maglagay. Like, meron ako dito yung USDT. So, for example, around 20 USDT. Again, this is just a demo lang, guys. So, this is under Arbitrum ecosystem. Ayan, and then sign and continue ko lang to. So, dito guys, nag-reflect na yung pinaka-USDT natin. Pero since dito, USDC yung kailangan, punta lang tayo dito sa Classic, no? Tapos, makikita na natin dito sa baba. Ito yung USDT natin na nilagay. Swap lang natin ito papunta sa USDC. So like for example, itong 20, and then pagkatapos niyan, swap lang natin, sign and confirm. Ayan, meron na tayong available dito, 19.53. And like, for example, punta lang tayo dito guys. Now, again, this is a perpetual trading type. This is very risky if you are a beginner. If wala pa kayong idea in technical analysis, risk management, kasi merong leverage ito, pwede kang maliquidate dito guys. Siguro, just an example lang dito. Meron pa ditong other pairs guys na like, for example, hanap tayo dito. For example, itong kay Ethereum. So, check natin itong si Ethereum. So, upon observation dito guys, kay Ethereum, ito yung pinaka-price action. So, naka-classic lang ito guys, up to 50x, no? Itong Moon, masyadong mataas yung risk, up to 1,000 yan. But, it depends yan sa understanding mo sa market, no? So, ito yung pinaka-structure. And, like, for example, itong kay Ethereum. So, enable trading ko lang to. Tapos, setup ko lang dito ng pinaka-pin mo. Like, setup ko lang to. Tapos, save. And then, sign and confirm. Ayan, so dito guys, merong long, short. So, basic explanation lang dito guys sa long. If ever na tumaas yung presyo, magkaka-profits ka, no? Pag bumagsak, since may leverage ito, pwede kang maliquidate or pwede kang ma-stop out, no? So, sa short naman, if ever man na short mo around this area, tapos bumagsak, magkaka-profits ka dyan guys, no? If ever na tumaas, pwede kang maliquidate, pwede kang malos, no? So, ito yung pinaka-leverage niya, around 50x sa classic. Sa Moon naman, up to 1000x leverage guys, no? So, andito yung mga details, and you can also check this one. If ever man na beginner lang talaga itong AALP, pwede naman dito guys, no? Parang magpo-provide ka lang ng liquidity. So like mag-earn ka ng yield dyan. So ito yung mga features dito ni ARK. A potential airdrop dito guys that you can explore. Sa Earn naman, meron ditong rewards guys, no? Like for example, ito. Meron ng nasa Epoch 89. So estimated rewards, makikita natin naman dito. And merong League of Markets. So like for example, Ethereum BTC. Tapos sa altcoin guys, no? So ito yung mga shareable rewards dito guys, no? So pwede nyo explore to guys. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na to yung official link para mapuntahan nyo yung potential airdrop dito and other features pa dito guys, no? So that's it for today guys. Hope you get some ideas dito sa video natin. Hope you learned something, and maraming salamat ulit sa panunood guys. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.